Olive oil is a staple in many Middle Eastern and European dishes. National consumption is highest in Greece, followed by Spain and Italy. Just as they do in winemaking, climate, soil, and harvesting methods have a very important impact on the oil's character. To put things into perspective, you can imagine that you won't be able to make an easy spaghetti recipe with mushrooms and roasted tomatoes without it. If you're fond of these international regional cuisines, then you might want to invest in a good olive oil dispenser to keep the ingredient fresh for a long period. Continue reading to find out 5 of the best products on Amazon today, as well as a few buying tips to help you choose the best one. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I recommend 5 best olive oil dispenser on Amazon 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Molimoli brand. Minimalism-inspired cooking oil dispenser bottle. This set includes 2 high-quality 11.8-ounce glass bottles, 2 gold pourers, a funnel, and a 37 label set. The pourers are aesthetically pleasing and functional. The metal cap creates a tight seal. It opens and closes automatically, preventing dust from falling into bottles. While all these spouts are made of stainless steel, the plated colored layers may wear off due to the acidity of the vinegar. Use the glass container, bottles for soy sauce, syrup, liquor, wine, olive oil, vinegar, cooking oil, vinaigrette, pre-mixed cocktails, lemonade, iced tea, or cold brew. This is the perfect housewarming gift for both men and women. It comes meticulously packaged in a box. It will transform the kitchen and give it a modern and more uniform look. Each set has 38 complimentary waterproof stain-free labels. The labels are designed to be reused for multiple times and will not leave any residue upon peeling. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Showvigor brand. Olive oil bottle is made of lead-free glass, which is 100% healthy and eco-friendly. The bottle body is transparent, so it's easy to find the impurity in the liquid. The volume is 500 milliliters. It's a suitable volume for kitchen use and it's dishwasher safe. Oil dispenser can be used for olive oil, vinegar, wine, your homemade chili oil for salad dressing, cooking, barbecue, even can use this bottle to mix your chili oil. There is non-slip design at the bottom of the bottle. The size of vinegar bottle is 5.5 by 5.5 by 30 centimeters. It's a very good size for holding the bottle in hands for both men and women. The liquid in the cuboid glass bottle is very beautiful. What's more, the cuboid bottle saves space much better than cylindrical bottle, so you can use the cuboid bottle both in the kitchen and outdoor picnic. Oil bottle controls the amount of oil, dressing, or vinegar poured into your dishes, thus eating healthier and preventing messes. There is anti-drip design. The glass bottle can prevent effectively oil leaking. Always keep your glass bottle clean and hygienic. Little cap on the top can keep the contents always remain fresh. Please wash the glass olive oil bottle with water under 60 degrees Celsius, or it may lead this glass bottle broken. You can put the bottle in the dilute acetic acid for 30 minutes, brush it, then wash it with clean water. Number 3 in our top is from the DWÖLLZA kitchen brand. Make cooking mess-free, healthy, and elegant with the DWÖLLZA kitchen glass olive oil bottle dispenser for kitchen and olive oil spray bottle set. It comes a leak-free 500 milliliters vinegar dispenser for your oils or vinegar and a 180 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer mister. So, you get all the kitchen gadgets tools you need to properly use your oils, dressings, and vinegar in just one set. No more using aerosol-filled store-bought cooking sprays. Our olive oil spray bottle for cooking creates a delicate mist without using any risky propellants. No more overdressing your salads or using too much oil while cooking and spraying in the pan. Our cooking oil dispenser bottle for kitchen set has a graduated oil reservoir for precise pour control and measurement control. You'll love the great materials and elegant design that exude an upscale feel. The vinegar and oil pourer combines a glass bottle, stainless steel lid, and silicone cork and button, while the oil mister bottle is made of glass with a stainless steel lid crowning the look. With this cool kitchen gadget set, take the mess and hassle out of pouring and spraying. With its zero drip spout, the oil cruet pours your olive oil or vinegar without any of it ever dripping down the sides. We have fitted the oil sprayer pump mister with a filter that prevents clogging even when you infuse your oils with herbs. Number 2 in our top is from the Aozita brand. Aozita glass olive oil bottle with spout stoppers make it easy to dispense oil with appropriate amount, get less oil consumption and healthier eating. 18 out of 8 stainless steel pour spouts with sealed cap and flat cap fit the bottle well and perfectly keep dust out. Everyone can pour and dispense oil with a nice stream without leakage. Ideal for dispensing cooking oils, dressings, and vinegars. 18/8 stainless aided funnel helps fill and refill the liquid easily without leakages. Keeps all things clean and help you get rid of slimy hands. This eco-friendly and reusable storage oil dispenser and lids have good leak-proof and airtight effects, great ideal for holding all kinds of kitchen oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and other cooking cruets. Suitable for different occasions, such as indoor cooking, outdoor barbecue. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the FineDine brand. Control the amount of oil, dressing, or vinegar poured into your dishes, thus eating healthier and preventing messes. Marked measurements are displayed on the dispenser for salads, omelets, or any recipe that requires precise amounts of oil. Oil dispenser is designed with lead-free glass and premium smudge-free stainless steel, granting it a sleek, modern look. Enhance your table and always know how much there still is inside. Wide opening allows for swift and simple cleansing and refilling. Mouth is wide enough for any brush. The perfect size for your dinner table or picnic, compact enough for easy travel. Dispenser was crafted with a handy design, easy grip, and non-slip bottom, so it's stable on countertops. BPA-free pouring spout easily flips open and shut, keeping dust and flies perfectly out of oil. Advanced filter on lid will keep spices and flavors such as hot pepper from clogging the pouring spout. Oil will be steadily dispensed, and there won't be any spices stuck when refilling. Which olive oil dispenser would you like to buy for your kitchen? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.